Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is the end of a correction, and I believe this right here is a 1. I think this is a 2. I actually think this is still a wave 3. And I think that, yeah, we are definitely going down now, and I do not think the move down is over, but I think it's just a subdivision of the wave 3, probably like a 1-2 of wave 3, and eventually go up for a wave 3 of 3, which I actually believe that gold is probably going up to about $2,500 based on Fibonacci extension levels. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is a 1. I think this is a big ABC correction, probably a wave 2. I think this is probably like a 1 of 3, and we're now in a wave 2 of 3, and eventually it's going to go up and make a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I think we're forming some sort of a WXY pattern because I see 3 waves down, I see 3 waves up. I think this is supposed to be a 3-wave pattern down for a wave Y. I think the wave B of wave Y actually formed a double zigzag, which makes it look a little complicated, but I still think it's an ABC of wave Y. It's probably going to take out these lows, make a higher low than this low over here, and most likely continue the uptrend from there, ending a wave 2, going up for wave 3 most likely. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, if you zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see what I mean by the double zigzag because this is very, very clearly 5 ways down. And then we had an ABC with a trend in the middle, and then another ABC. I think it's actually very clear this is ABC/X, ABC, which is a pretty much the definition of a double zigzag. So I think this right here is an A. I think we had a double zigzag wave B, and I think we are going down now for a wave C, which a wave C should be a trend. And I do think the wave C is going to take out these lows, but most likely it is going to make a higher low on the daily, like I was just showing. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had interest rate news yesterday, and that caused a big impulsive move down. And then it did drift up pretty far, but I mean, look what happened. It made a lower high. I think this is probably a 1, this is probably a 2, and I think there's a very good chance over the coming days this is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs in a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C by the looks of it on the longer time frames, which tells me that I definitely wouldn't go short now, but if it makes a pullback, that's where I'll be looking for shorts, is at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.